Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. So today we are going to learn lesson number 1.6, and here we will be learning how to find the solution of quadratic equation with the help of this formula. Okay, what is solution? We have already learned this one in the previous topics, previous lessons. So again I am telling you here one more time, rewinding. If let us suppose that 2 is the solution of this one, so I will be putting the value of 2 everywhere wherever x is written. So I will putting in the LHS. After solving, if I am getting 0, so it means this is the solution. If I am not getting, so this is not the solution. So this is algebraically I am doing this one. Okay, what I will be doing with the help of graph. So in the graph, if it is cutting like this, it means it has two solution. How much? Two solution, and it will be real solutions. Okay, if it is cutting only or touching only x-axis one time, see this is x-axis, this is y-axis, as you already know. Okay, so if it is one time, so you will say one real solution, and sometime you will see it is not touching x-axis like this, so you will say no real solution, or it will be imaginary. Okay, what is imaginary? We have already done this one. What are the imaginary numbers? So anything which is written like a plus ib, this is imaginary number. So I hope you have understood the basics of this one. Okay, and what is the solution? So let's start with the question, how to do with the help of formula. It is going to be super easy for all of you because you can use the calculator and the formula is already there. So let's start here. So it is telling x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, put the values. If you will see here, the value of b is 8, so I will be writing here minus 8 plus minus under root of 8 square minus 4. The value of a is 1 here, so I will be writing 1, and the value of c is 15, so I will be writing 15 by 2 into a is 1. So let's start here again. Further solve it, it will give you 64 minus 60 by 2. Solve it further. So minus 8 plus minus and square root of 4 by 2. Solve it further. So I will be doing here minus 8 plus minus, and you know square root of 4 is 2 by 2. So one time I will be taking plus and one time I will be taking minus. So let's start here and further solve it. It will give you minus 6 by 2 or minus 10 by 2. So further solve it. So x will give you either minus 3 or x is equal to minus 5. I hope you all have understood. So this is the only thing. You can use the calculator to solve all these things. Okay, it's not a great deal. Fine, only the thing is, what is important, you have to memorize the formula. Same thing I am going to do here. I need to make it 0, so I will be transferring this one over here, or you can transfer all the things over here. Whatever you wish, you can do. It will come same. So here I can write this one minus 8x square plus 4x plus 5 will be equal to 0. Put the values of a, b and c. So a will be minus 8, b will be 4, and c will be 5. Use the formula which says minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Use the values. So minus, it will be minus 8. Okay, plus minus square root of minus 8 whole square minus 4. The value of a is sorry, I have done here a little wrong. Let me correct it. It will be 4 here. Okay, because the value of b is, give me a minute, minus b. Okay, so b is 4, so I will be writing here 4. Okay, plus minus square root of 4 square minus 4 into a is minus 8 into c is 5. Okay, by 2 times of minus 8. Further solve it. You can see here it will give you minus 4 plus minus under root of 16, and minus will become plus, so it will become 160 by minus 16. Solve it further. It will give you minus 4 plus minus square root of 176 by minus 16 is equal to, it will be plus minus 4 plus minus, if you will be using calculator, you will get 4 root 11 upon minus 16. Take minus 4 common, so if I am taking minus 4 common here, so it will give you 1 plus minus square root of 11, and minus 16 I can write minus 4 times of 4, so minus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. So what will be the answer? I will be writing 1 plus minus square root of 11 by 4. So it is going to our answer. I hope you all have understood. From the next question, I am not going to solve each and everything. I will be using only the formula. I will substitute and you will be solving. Okay, I will be writing the answer only. Let's start question number 15 and 23. So for question number 15, here you can see the value of A is 16, value of B is minus 24, and value of C is minus 25. So X is equal to minus B. B is minus 24. Okay, plus minus square root of B square means minus 24 whole square. Okay, minus 4 times A times C. Okay, by 2 times of 16. When you will solve it further, I am not doing now. You can use the calculator. I am writing the second last step. So it should come somewhere is equal to 24 plus minus square root of 2176 by 32. Further solve it. So 24 plus minus, it will give you 8 root 34 by 32. Okay, you can take here 8 common, or okay, so if I am taking 8 common here, so I can write here, so it will be 3 plus minus square root of 34, and 32 also I can write 8 times 4, so 8 will get cancelled. It will be 3 plus minus square root of 34 by 4. So this is going to be our answer. I hope you all have understood. Same process we will be doing for the next question. So next question is telling, question number 23, that A will be equal to 3, B is equal to minus 6, comma C is equal to 11. Again use the same formula, X equals minus B. Okay, so the value of B is 6 plus minus square root of minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 11. Okay, by 2 into A. Okay, solve it further. Minus minus will give you plus, plus minus square root of 36, and minus it will give you 4 3s are 12 times 11 by 6. So 6 plus minus square root of 36, it will give you okay, this one will give you yeah, okay, by 6. Further solve it. 6 plus minus, okay, 12 minus 6 will be 6, and here it will be 12. 12 minus 3 will be 90 with negative sign upon 6. I know that if square root is negative, so it will be imaginary one, because square root of minus 1 will be I. So further solve it. So you will get it here 6 plus minus root of 96I. Okay, more do it by here 6. Solve it further. You will get here 6 plus minus 6 root 6I by 6. So here you can take common. It will be 4, sorry, it will be 4 not 6. Just give me a minute. So I will be taking 2 common, so it will give you 3 plus minus 2 root 6I by 2 times of 3. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It will give you 3 plus minus 2 root 6I by 3. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, I hope you all have understood everything whatever till now I have told. Okay, coming to the next question. Now we are going to know about the discriminant. What is discriminant? So I have done in under the square root b square minus 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and it is perfect square. What is perfect square? Like 25. So 25 is the perfect square of 5. Okay, or I am getting 36. 36 is the perfect square of 6. Okay, so if it is perfect square, the answer will be 2 real and rational root. If it is not a perfect square but greater than 0, so it will be 2 real but irrational root. Okay, if it is 0, then only one rational root will be coming. And going down further, if it is less than 0, so it will be complex number. Less than 0 means square root of minus of something, and if minus of something is there, it automatically mean it will be imaginary number. So let's start here. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 16. Okay, so I will be using b square minus 4ac. Put the values. B is minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 16. Solve it further. 8 8s are 64 minus, it will be 64. So 64 minus 64, you know it will be 0. And if it is coming 0, and then I will be using this one. Okay, this one. So it means how much? This implies one real rational root. So this is your answer, because here we have to find the how many roots are there and what is the nature of the root. Same way I am going to do question number 28. A is equal to 5. Think what is B. So here, as you are thinking correct, so B will be equal to 0 and C will be equal to minus 6. Again, B square minus 4AC. So B is 0 square minus 4 into A is how much? 5 and C is minus 6. Solve it further. So it will give you minus and minus will give you plus. So 4 5s are 20. 20 times 6 120. So it is coming plus 120, because 120 is coming and this is not the perfect square. So it's not a perfect square. So I will be using this one. So this is our answer. So I will be writing here 2 real irrational roots. And if you want to find the roots, you can use the formula which we have done question number 1 and 6. Okay, and question number 15 and 23. Same way I have to find this one. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. So b square minus 4ac will be equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. So altogether it will give you 1 minus 4, which will give you minus 3. Now because here it is minus, it means this is less than 0, and if it is less than 0, so you will be writing here 2 complex roots. I hope you all have understood this one. Okay, coming back to the next question. Here now you have the graph. Okay, as I told you, if it is not touching means it is less than 0. Okay, and then complex root. Okay, no real root, you can say no real root, or you can say complex root. Here it is cutting at 2 points, so you will say 2 real root. It may be rational or it may be irrational. And the last one, it is touching at one point. So if one point is there, means perfect square, it means one real roots. So in this way we have finished this topic where we were using the formula for quadratic equation and discriminant. I hope you all have understood. If you want to just know any other question from your book, please write me. I will make a video and send it to you. Thanks a lot for just going through the video. Have a nice day.